Hey, what's up, everybody? Oh my gosh, sorry for the delays this morning. No trades today. For me, nothing yet. Just kind of sitting here watching this move. A lot of stuff going on this morning. Gotta run that company, man. All right, so today, setup's pretty much hard to act on. Oops, do this really quick. Let me get my pencil here. What's up? What's up? It's like thunderstorming really bad. Outside, like a little bit of rain here and there. All right. So 1A here to DD ban is a trade. The other one is from here to there, back to there. So 1B, I'll be willing to take on hedge pressure. I love taking hedge pressure trades off of here. Support a half gap here on risk greater than 0. So inside of here, there's potential to grab a dip to come up. It's just that days like this after a big run up on Fed is not finding any way to sell up. There's no volatility yet. VIX is starting to pick up steam off of triple B, and whenever that happens, it usually means this day is going to kind of build and build and build and build while volatility is going up. If there's any sell-off or retracement, it's likely tomorrow or at the end of the day today. I don't think we're going to end up with a midday reversal. I think today the market's just this is going to creep higher. Any downside is still going to go up. I don't think there's much downside here. We're going to pivot somewhere inside of here and probably still close flat, but with volatility building, the potential for a surprise V in the middle of the day is likely going to come through, but I don't short bull markets. So it's really not tradable today other than buying dips. These supports. NQ has slipped around the other way. Yeah. Okay. Take a look at that. Take note of that, right? So NQ has resistances at monthly. Remember, we always talk about monthly hedge pressure is a very strong resistance, and it's more rare that it does actually break. So I think that today we have a little continuation move of yesterday, just a little bit, slowly drift higher and support. And I really think we realize volatility as early as tomorrow. I don't think we're going to see any downside or selling pressure today. There's really no trades either. So I haven't made any trades today. Nothing, not yet. I don't think I made any trades yesterday on the stream either. So we're trading off of this triple B, which we know over here pivots are going to overshoot. So be very careful on that. Yeah, pretty calm and easy day. I know it's a smaller stream, everyone. Sorry for the delays. So a NASDAQ, you know, there is sorry, potential resistance here at 450. You're into the restroom real quick. Be right back. Hey, all right, I'm back. No trades today. I think the market's still going to drift higher. I don't think right now there's any reason to try to short or fade this. There's just not really a decent long entry for this for a day trade. I'm just kind of waiting. Even at the open, market was still trading up in here. I was trying to get, I had some things I had to do today and then trying to get everything set up. I was making changes to my computer also, so apologize for the delays. My allergies are kicking up today. Be cautious today that Nasdaq's gonna be fighting against monthly hedge pressure. So nothing really today. Oops. What's up, Lee? Good morning. Market's not moving higher because of Apple dump? That again? No, I wouldn't say that wouldn't be, I wouldn't call that like the reason the market's not moving higher. I'd say that the market's just in general is still really bullish. Well, Apple is a big motivating factor for, you know, people's decisions on the index. It's a big weight on it. I think the majority of stocks are still looking pretty good. There's just no movement here today. I do feel like end of the day or next day can experience some volatility. VIX is starting to prime itself up. We always know that whenever we react off of this level right here. I want this triple B level. Hold on a second. You guys might have noticed some changes. We've been super excited to bring out our brand new data feeds. Those things are launched. We have a lot of great positive feedback on that. We go right here. So when VIX is trading above this triple B number we've calculated, it's building volatility. So something in here, while it is trying to move higher, the end of the day could be some selling pressure, or tomorrow can be some selling pressure. Typically, when VIX bounces right here, you see a little bit of resistance in both the index products here. There is that resistance because volatility is starting to hedge itself higher. If this consistently becomes a thing over the next day or two, then the end of the day or tomorrow can see some selling pressure. What's up, David? How you doing, man? My allergies are kicking off. Blech. It's interesting to see Apple sell in response to its monthly hedge pressure. That tends to be what happens at times. But Apple's been like going through a lot lately itself. So Apple, I wouldn't say is, while it is reflective in the index most of the time, I wouldn't say that Apple's selling today would make me feel like the entire index is going to pull back. These people are typically selling one stock and rolling into everything else, so it's not going to create that issue. Yeah, I don't know if I want to trade this. How you guys doing today? Y'all doing any trading? What's up, Nuno? David, Matt, do you see the Atlas trading crew dismissal? Yeah, the Atlas trading lawsuit got dismissed. The criminal, well, that's a lawsuit. The criminal charges were dropped. It was interesting to see. The reasonings I was reading for that was interesting. The way I gathered was that it was like thrown out on some technicalities. Let's see if I can reread that. Well, it's safe to say that I guess the Zach Morris crew, are they coming back around? Did they learn their lesson? They're going away, or did the Department of Justice always know that this would get thrown out? They just scared the shit out of these kids for a couple years, just to send a message to everyone in social media that this could happen to you, even though, you know, at that time the penny stock pump and dump thing was pretty. Not saying they pumped and dumped, I don't know anything about it. Going the libel there, if I'm not claiming they did or didn't, don't know, but the accusation was they did. And so at the time, that was, everyone's doing that after COVID. There's so many people on Twitter doing that stuff. So maybe this could have been just a let's make an example out of one person, and because it got quiet on Twitter for a little bit and they got pinched. But needless to say, I feel like the like blatant disregard to people and recommending and pumping penny stocks, I think, is a disgusting practice. So I think the whole process probably took the steam out of a lot of people's engines who were trying to do that kind of service, which is good. Better for the industry. Yeah, so monthly hedge pressure on Nasdaq has just shifted. That's what it is. It did what it did. We moved on a catalyst, so I think that that's just where it's positioned right now. It is based on what the options are. It is what it is. So it's considered, we call it bearish structure. So Nasdaq is starting to become bearish in structure. And that's likely because some of the bigger heavy hitting stocks in the Nasdaq are starting to move lower. Apple being one of them. Meta is probably still what Meta is. Hey Sam, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. How you doing, bud? Yeah, like in their example, yeah, the Zach Morris guy was making a mockery of them. He was literally mocking them. I honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm more of a conspiracy theorist in the whole thing. It was like, who goes that far and openly mocks the SEC? Unless it's a stunt designed by the SEC to send a message to everybody doing it. Like they picked these guys out of a hat and they were like, look, we're going to bust you unless you play ball. Like, make fun of us, go overboard, be obnoxious about it, and we're still going to press charges on you, but we'll drop them. But we'll teach a lesson to everyone else. I know it's probably not what happened. I'm such a conspiracy theorist. It seemed too obvious. Like, who sends a middle finger on a jet ski and tags Gary Gensler in it, right? Like SEC, and goes, you know, who does that? It just seems too stupid to do that. You either have to be like extremely cocky or you have to be in on it, right?
Sell to your customers anywhere with Shopify, the commerce platform designed for entrepreneurs. Online, on social, in person, and on the go. Get the
So, not saying they were in on it, but they probably made a deal from the start. Like, hey, we're gonna make an example out of you guys. Who knows? So, like, I think if them, but see, that's the thing. That's the only reason that would dispel the conspiracy theory that sets a horrible precedence that you can do this and get off the hook. Well, I just want to chime in and say hi. There's really nothing going on right now in the trading world, so I'll probably just call it. I just want to come in and say, hey, no trades today. I'm not going to really do anything. But yeah, I don't really think they were in on it because it would set a horrible precedent that you could get away with doing that and more people would do it. But who knows? Maybe they just wanted to pinch somebody and make an example out of them just so other people would stop. In either case, y'all, I'm going to get out of here. No trades today, but we'll be back live tomorrow morning. We'll see y'all later. Short trade, I know. Love y'all.